Copy a video from this free website. Next, go to this website, which you probably haven't heard of before, and upload your video right here. Then you will earn free PayPal money, just like these people from all over the world. You can see that they are getting paid free PayPal money over and over again. If you don't like PayPal, you can use any of these other methods to withdraw money. With this method, you don't need to upload any videos to YouTube. This strategy has nothing to do with selling or affiliate marketing. It's super simple and literally anyone can do this. The best part is that this is available anywhere in the world. Which country are you from? Leave a comment below. This will help me when creating future videos. I can make sure that every single video I upload is working in your country. Some people will say that you can't copy and paste video because of copyright. But the videos I am about to show are based on PLR. PLR stands for Private Label Rights, and with this website you can download free PLR videos without having to worry about copyright claims. Do you want to know this website? Can you please hit that like button, and I will show you all the steps you need to do so that you can start making money. The website is PLR Minds. First step is for you to create a free account. Scroll down a bit and you will see a green Join Now button. They have a gold membership, but you don't need to pay and get that membership. You can use the free option and register for a free account. After you create your account, login, and you will see a page like this. Right here you can see they have free ebooks, free graphics, free videos, free templates, and free software. All of these products have private label rights, and you can download hundreds of different digital products from this website. The best part is you can do whatever you want to them, because private label rights give you a license to do anything to those products. It gives you complete control of them, allowing you to change them, give them away for free, and do whatever you want for them, which is truly incredible. You are here to make money by copying and pasting videos, which is just what we're going to do next. Moving on to step 2, you are going to download the free videos. Just scroll down a little bit and you find this free videos section. Click on the link that says access it here. These are all the videos that we can download for absolutely free from this website. When you download them, you get a free license to resell them or give them away. I am going to show you a website that will pay you to upload them. So stay with me and follow along. I guarantee you'll be able to earn some free PayPal money if you do these exact steps. Pick any video that you like. All these videos are free to download. Let me select this video. It will take me over to the next page where I can read more about the video. Scroll down and click the download button, and it will immediately download the video. Moving on to step 3, I will show you the website which will actually pay you free PayPal money, but keep watching because I will also show you another website which you can use to double your earnings. Before you think this is a scam or fake website, I want to show actual traffic data. Here you see the global ranking, which is really high. You will also notice that in the last month, it got over 5.7 million visits per month. This is a website that not only helps you store various files for free, but also pays you money every time someone downloads one of your files. If you look at the payment proof, you'll see that people are repeatedly earning money from this website. This is where you are going to upload our video to get paid, but stay tuned, because I have a free platform that will help you get thousands of downloads. For 1,000 downloads, you will earn around $7. I know that this is not a lot, but as I said before, there is a platform that you can use to get thousands of daily visits, which will help you make more money. Create your free account on this website. Once registered, log into your account. Then upload the video you previously downloaded. Click on Upload Files and select your video. When you're done, you will see something like this. This part is important, so pay close attention. This is the link to your video. Copy this link. Moving on to the next step, This is the platform that you are going to use to get thousands of downloads for free. As you can see here, by using this platform you can get 100% real traffic. This is completely free, and again, this works worldwide. The website is Hercules. Create a free account here. You will then be able to publish ads for free. They will be seen by 1,000 people every day. First, type a subject line. You want to write something that will grab people's attention. Next, paste the video link that we previously copied. Add details about the video. For example, explain what the video is about, what you can get from watching it, and so on. Also, don't forget to paste the video link into the ad body as well. Next, click the Submit Ad button. You can try this with different videos and see which one will make you the most amount of money. I have created several videos in the past showing you free methods to make money online. Watch this video next.